welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe and click the little bell, that way you never miss out on another hair tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this hair look that was inspired by Kriti Sanon, and this is like a straight hair, half up, top bun hairstyle. So there's a lot going on, but it's so simple and so easy. It will take you less than 10 minutes. And if you're interested, then keep on watching. So what you're gonna need is a good hair straightener. Now the one that I use is by Chee, and this is expensive, but it is one of the best hair straighteners that I've ever used. I did used to have one from Target, which was like $9. I think it was by Revlon, and it was good, but I don't know, I feel like this one just keeps my hair straight longer, and it just makes it a very like smooth straight, and my hair doesn't look damaged when I straighten it. So if you guys are interested in a really good one, Chee is really good. But if you guys do want an affordable one, then of course like go to Target and get the $10 one. I mean, I'm not a professional hair straightener or anything, I don't know everything about it, but I'm going to show you guys the one that I use, and I love the results with this one. And then you're also going to need some kind of a leave-in conditioner or a serum or oil or something to protect your hair from the heat. Now, I don't really use like a heat protectant. I just use this leave-in conditioner by OK Pure Naturals. This is the almond one. It keeps the style on longer too, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to be using a leave-in conditioner, the Chee hair straightener, and I'm going to be using a hairbrush, which I have right here. And then I'm going to be using 2 bobby pins and a scrunchie. So if you are more comfortable with using more bobby pins, then go ahead and get more, but I'm just going to be using 2 because this is a super quick, fast tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do is, oh, and by the way, if you guys see this band-aid on my arm, I had an accident while I was barbecuing, and so I'm waiting for that to heal so I can take the band-aid off. But I'm just gonna brush out all the knots and tangles from my hair first. I'm just gonna go ahead and just start straightening. I'm not gonna really separate my hair or anything. I'm just gonna start to straighten it because it is a quick hairstyle. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start to straighten it. And for your convenience, I'm just gonna speed this right up because I don't want you guys to sit there and watch me straighten my hair, because I'm sure everybody knows how to straighten their hair. But basically I just take chunks of hair and then I'm just going to straighten them. And my mirror is down there like on the floor area, so I'm going to be looking over there while I straighten. So halfway into my hair tutorial, I completely forgot that I didn't even put any heat protectant on. So you guys have to excuse me, today is like a really hot day, and it's one of those days where kind of stressful, so I just wanted to do my hair and treat myself a little bit, kind of pamper myself. I don't do my hair a lot, so it's one of those days where you just, sometimes I feel like when you are having a stressful day, then it's really nice to just pamper yourself, treat yourself, make yourself feel pretty, make yourself look pretty, and it really helps. So that's what I'm doing today, and I just wanted to film a quick tutorial for you guys too. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the ends of my hair, concentrating on the ends of my hair mostly because that's where a lot of the damage happens when you apply heat. And so I'm not gonna be even using a lot because you only need a little bit of this stuff, and it coats your hair so beautifully. So I already straightened some of my hair, but I'm just gonna go over it again, and I'm gonna speed it up again, and then you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so if you guys watch the whole thing, you guys know I have a very like chaotic, crazy way of straightening my hair. I just go in and straighten little pieces at a time that I just grab, and it just works for me. From the arch of your eyebrows, you're going to take hair like this. Take your thumb, and you're just gonna go back up to where the crown of your head is, and then you're going to take that hair, and that's gonna be the hair that you make the bun out of. So I'm gonna separate that hair right there. And then what I'm gonna do is kind of just make the front a little bit neater. I'm not gonna make it super neat because I do want it a little bit poofy, because I'm gonna be pulling a little bit so that it's like voluminous. But I'm gonna go ahead and tie this into a ponytail. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So go ahead and take that scrunchie and tie it in a ponytail. It's up to you if you want to tie it in a loose ponytail or a tight one, depending on if your head hurts. If it's super tight, mine does, so I just made not too tight but a little bit loose. Then what you want to do is take that ponytail, twist it a little bit, as tight as you want your bun to be, or as the smaller you want your bun to be, the more you twist. The bigger you want your bun to be, the less you twist. So I just twisted just a few times because I do want my bun to be bigger. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap that around that ponytail that I just made. So I'm gonna wrap that around, and the end of the hair, I'm just gonna tuck it in, just like that. And then taking my bobby pin, I'm only gonna be using 2. I'm just gonna secure that bun in place on 2 sides. And then what I'm gonna do is kind of just pull at it a little bit to make it bigger, because I like my buns to be like really big and really messy. Okay, so the more that I played around with it, I got it to the way that I want it. I'm gonna show you guys a quick glimpse of how I like it. I like it to be neat but big, a little bit messy, and just like I pulled a little bit of what I wanted. Then what we're gonna do next is just make the front a little bit more poofy. And how you do that is kind of I'll take my fingers and then I'll just pull a little bit right there. And I mean, it might get a little frizzy at this point, but you can definitely apply hairspray or conditioner or something. But I'm just gonna pull just a little bit to make it a little bit bigger and voluminous. And I'm really already liking the way that this is coming out. And then if you want to, you can she had a little bit of side hairs that were coming out, and you can definitely do that if you want to, but I don't really have a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any requests for any other hair tutorials, let me know and I can do those for you. And subscribe to my channel. If you guys are interested in how I cut and layer my hair, be sure to check that video out on my channel. And if you guys are interested in how I color my hair, I also have videos on what I use and how I color my hair at home. But anyways, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!